So last night I was talking to my new friend, Content Master 64. You guys met him in the previous video. If you didn't watch past 8 minutes, then shame on you. Go watch it and you'll meet Content Master 64. Really great guy. Anyways, so I was talking to him and he was like, Sam, you need to get out of the house more. You know, you gotta go and venture out and explore and give the people the content that they've always wanted. So I was like, okay, well, what do you suggest? And he was saying that, you know, I'm starting to get into Hondas. I want to do a K-swap and things like that and do crazy turbo things on my Civic in Australia. And he was like, you need to go to the forefront of all things Honda in Japan. And I'm like, well, where the hell is that? K-tuned isn't in Japan. And he was like, you idiot, Sam. Slapped me and punched me in the face, said baka yaro and all that jazz. He was like, you got to go to Spoon. And I was like, what the frick's a Spoon? And he gave me a Google Maps location, so we're going there. Let's find out. So today's excursion involves just one bus, the bus that I always take to the train station. We're riding the same line into Shibuya and we're just changing to another line there. And then we're pretty much there. It's actually really easy to get to Spoon. So I'm really actually pumped. I'm really keen to see Spoon and get some inspiration for the Civic. Content Master 64 here, boys. Just a quick reminder. Link in the description, get your SAMMIT stickers. Make sure you win the JDM accessories giveaway. Every sticker gets you an entry. Everything closes on July 10th. Bye. All right, so I'm finished with the train. It's a nice crown there. And where Spoon is like the closest station is called Ogikubo. I think that's how it's pronounced, right? And it's only about a 5-minute walk from the station. So once we're at this main road, we're gonna go left and follow that. And pretty much that's where Spoon is, right there. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm really pumped. Super excited for Honda stuff. Okay, so I just got to Spoon and they don't have the showroom here anymore. We have to walk 10 minutes down the road to Type 1 for their showroom. And then he said if you want to buy parts, then you come back here. So that's a bit confusing, but whatever. It's still pretty cool inside though. There's not much to see. From what I understood, they used to have everything on the 3rd floor for a showroom, but not anymore. So we're gonna go for a walk to Type 1. He gave me a map. And then we'll go check out the showroom there. Since we're on our way, I'm gonna get a quick feed at 7-Eleven because I haven't had lunch yet. Nothing like a good tuna mayo onigiri. So it seems like Japan finally has vanilla Coke, except they call it vanilla float flavor. I just tried it and it literally just tastes like normal vanilla Coke, like what vanilla Coke is in Australia. But there you go. I'm happy now because I really do enjoy vanilla Coke. Yo, so we just arrived at Type 1 and it looks like we're in the right spot. Whole open showroom there, people to work on engines and stuff, but they've got their Spoon cars here. I guess this is what they meant by showroom, unless there's another level with all their parts. Be kind of cool. Oh yo, they got dyno packs here, they can dyno tune. All right, this is cool. I think we're supposed to go up the stairs here. Let's find out. Yeah, I think we're in the right spot now. Hang on, how the hell did they get this car up here? Are we allowed to just go in, or? I think so. I think we can just walk in. Let's find out. So I just walked in, checked with this guy if it was all good for me to walk in here, because there's like no English anywhere. But yeah, this is a full showroom that you can go in and check out. I know how they got this car up here now. This is a huge like car elevator thing, and it's also how they got those cars up there. You can see as well there's the Spoon S2000 right there. We'll go have a closer look at that in a second. But first things first is I want to look at this EK, because this thing here is goals. Because the guy's obviously working on that bar, there's a bit of noise in the background, so I'll talk a bit louder. But just having a look inside the car here, you can see the dash and everything there. It's like some digital thing. All race car spec. You got your kill switch and stuff there. Everything is stripped out completely. Painted, caged, looks amazing. The fuel cell in the back there. Man, this is really cool. It's like, this is kind of where I would like my Civic to be. Definitely. Very, very, very cool. Yo, those mirrors look sick. What are they like? Yeah, they're a Spoon mirror too. Oh man. There's so much stuff on this Civic that I want. This seat, what is that fabric? Yo, that's cool. Now I want that too. Okay, I want everything. Wish I could see under the hood. Anyways, let's have a quick look at this motor here. This thing's cool. It's got ITBs. The fuel rail and injector rails on the bottom. Very, very cool. Is this a B16, I think, or a B18? Is there an engine marking here somewhere? There you go, B16A. These things are cool. I think this is the motor that Moog put in his Mini, right? If I'm correct. There's such a cool little motor. I reckon it would sound amazing with ITVs too. And we got some nice bumpers there. Let's have a look over on this side. A whole heap of engine covers. That's kind of cool. Yo, cutaway engine. I'm a big fan of these. It's really cool being able to look inside things, especially when like you can flick it around and move it. There's a switch here. Should I flick the switch? Because I think it shows like engine oil. Oh, it's not pumping oil, but it looks like it shows where all the oil galleries and stuff are on, and it pumps oil, because you can see the hose comes up through there and into the back there where the oil filter is. So I think it's meant to simulate and show you where all the oil gets pumped through the motor. These wheels look nice. I wonder how much they cost. It'd be kind of cool to get those for the Civic, right? Okay, this whole video is going to turn into, I want that for the Civic. But still, it's really cool. And over here, now these were these the V6s that were in the NSXs? I don't know much about these motors. ITBs. Very cool. For a V6, I feel like they're pretty compact. But then again, I've never really worked on many V6s. Looks nice. Do many people put these in Civics? Like, I feel like that would be like very difficult to fit, but I'm sure someone's done something with them. Cool motor nonetheless, it looks like it. I wonder if they handle boost well. Ooh, and then over here, they've got an EG Civic. Very nice. Man, I'm such a fan. I kind of wish I got an EG over an EK, but the EK can still look good. Yo, those brakes, that looks cool. I think I'm just a huge fan of anything Honda at this point, like anything that goes on my Honda. Now I understand why Moog always asked if things fitted on his Honda. This one's very similar to the other one in the other corner. Same paint interior, everything stripped out. Very, very similar. Oh man, so much want. And then there's the S2000 running their spoon brake front. Geez, look how blue that kind of rotor is turned. I don't know if the camera shows justice. It's kind of cool to be able to see the S2K up there like that. His fitment is super cool. Look at that. Barely fit a finger in the top of that. Very nice. Oh man, this is so cool. Yeah. Definitely when I've got a lot of disposable income, we're gonna do some crazy Honda stuff for sure. So keep an eye out for that on the future of the channel. We're gonna do some crazy Civic stuff. We're gonna do stuff like that to the Civic in Australia. That's my goal, is to turn it into like some really fast kind of time attack thing. Just wanna strip the whole thing out, do a crazy, well, once we blow up the D16, we'll do a crazy K swap and go from there. It looks like, I don't wanna pop the hood. It looks like there might be a B16 or a B18 in there, just judging by that, what I can see. Oh man. Guys, can we just flick my fingers and tap my heels together, and then my Civic in Australia will be like this, please? All right, we're heading downstairs now. I think we're allowed in here too. I'll just quickly check, but yeah, there's V-dub. I don't see many of those looking that clean anymore. So we saw one of these at the history garage at Tokyo Web, I think it was. And it's was it like a S600, I think, is what it is. Is there any badges on it somewhere? This one's really good condition too. Hell yeah. Yeah, there you go, Honda S600. And I'm pretty sure that with the new Honda 660s, that they kind of wanted to remake this small kind of Honda fun car. And that's why like a lot of people in Japan bought the 660s and have been taking them to the tracks and stuff, and people that like these cars, I think that was kind of like how Toyota revived the 8.6 and made the GT86. Kind of that's what Honda was doing with the 660, I think. But can we just take a moment to also Honda dyno pack chassis. Oh man, I want a hub dyno kit so bad, because you can just move them around and then dyno your car wherever the hell you want. And they have like everything here, like the exhaust pipe and stuff that you just slip over and then pop outside. These things, that's like 150 grand there. One day, I just want a pair of these so that I can just keep at my own workshop, learn to dyno cars properly. Really nice Integra. NK RFP1s really do look nice on these. We're not doing that on my car though. Nice S2000. Another Integra. And then the engine building room. As you can see, it's a completely different sealed room, specific air conditioning for climate control, sorry. And that's very important when you're building engines. Everything has to be the same temperature when you put it together, because then otherwise your torque specs aren't going to be correct, right? Very cool. Can I just say, huge shout out to these guys for just letting me walk around wherever the hell I want in their workshop. I feel like I'm not supposed to be able to do this, but we're doing it. And they had no problem with it. I asked and they said no problem. I think that's a B16 head. Very cool. Look how tiny these little pistons are here. That's for like a little K car motor, a little 3-cylinder. And then these ones here will be for like a B16 or a B18 or something along those lines, but I don't know. Not 100% sure. Oh, hang on. I see that it says F20C labeled there in the box. So maybe this is actually for a S2000 motor. Very much could be. Which would actually kind of make sense. That piston size. I feel like the B16 pistons would be a bit smaller, or B18. There you go. Anyways, it's kind of cool, hey. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, there you go. That's their alignment machine up there. It has like these special lasers that connect in with the things they put on the wheels and stuff. This is a really clean, cool workshop. I love it. There you go. This Type R though is doing things to me. Maybe we should trade the Civic for a Type R. No, I'm joking. We need an EK Civic. And that'll be the little K motor that he's rebuilding. Possibly for a 660 or something. Very, very cool. Does it have an engine stamp somewhere on there? I see like R9G. Don't really see much else on there, but yeah, look how tiny that little K motor is. Very cool. Well, K car motor, not K motor. And there's your torque plate. Very important when you're honing bores and things like that, that you use that. Okay, I guess that's what happened to the old little K car motor. See the bent con rod and the tiny piston? Yeah, same piston size as those ones over there. Anyways, we're gonna head back now. That was seriously really, really cool. I am even more excited now to do crazy Honda stuff. Man, I think my trip to the States as well is gonna convince me even more to do Honda stuff. I'm actually really hoping that Chris blows up his D16 and goes K-swap, so that then I can buy the turbo kit off him and then do the same thing on my Civic. I want to blow up the D16 with a crazy turbo kit and then do a K-swap as well. So that'll be kind of cool if we can do that. But I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I could just get Chris to really just like beat on it really hard when I'm there, and hopefully he blows it up, and then I could be like, hey, I'll buy the turbo kit off you and I'll take it back with me. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna head home now. We've got 2 trains and a bus, and we'll go from there. But I'm gonna call May first, because I know she works around in this area, and maybe we can go out to dinner or something in Shibuya. I think that'll be kind of cool too. So yeah, we'll pick it up from wherever we end up. Just got to my home station, and I can't walk past this place without getting one of these. Should we do chocolate or custard today? I'm gonna go with chocolate. In the end, I couldn't decide, so I got both, custard and chocolate. I think I'm gonna double stack them and eat them like a sandwich. Okay, so I'm home now and I'm about to start editing, but today was really awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed checking out all the spoon stuff. Definitely would be super cool when I've got a lot of like just, you know, disposable income. And I can just splurge on a bunch of really cool spool parts. I really do want to build that Civic in Australia to just be like an absolutely fast toge / time attack crazy weapon. I definitely want to have some fun though with the D16, put a turbo kit on it, go for crazy horsepower. I want to do the same thing on the K-swap. Like, I want to have a lot of fun, you know what I mean? Like, I think the Boosted Boys have definitely inspired me a little bit on that, as well as like Chris and his Civic. But anyways, all things aside, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, competition, get your stickers. Every sticker is an entry that you purchase. So make sure you hit that link in the description, sammit.net/shop, and get yourself some stickers while they last. We've sold out on all the Toge stickers. So grab the ones that are still 500 yen and cheap, because they're cheap entries. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ciao, matane.